Namaste everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we're gonna learn about font group of home tab. So let's start. This is home tab and this is font group. Font group is used to change the appearance of text. So let me introduce you to all operation of font group. First one is font style. Font style will change your fonts or text style. How? Let's see how does it work. First, select your cell on which you want to apply that and click on down faced arrow and select your desired font from here and the font style will change. Next is font size. Font size is used to increase or decrease text size of font size. Its current size selected cells. Current size is 11. If you want to increase the size, then just select a higher number from here. If you want to decrease, then select lower number from here. See, font size changed. Next is increase font. This big A is used to increase the font. Just select your cell and click on it. See, font is increasing. Next is decrease font. This small size A is used to decrease the font. Current selected cell's font is 11. If you want to decrease it to 8, just click it 3 times. See, it's changed. Next command is bold. Bold is used to make your text thicker. To use it, just select your cell and click on this B. See, this is become thicker. If you want to use this command from keyboard, you can also use that by pressing Ctrl and B. If you want to remove bold effect, then again you can click on this B and the bold effect will remove. Next command is italic command. This I is stand for italic. When you click on this, italic effect will apply on your selected cell. You can also use italic by pressing Ctrl and I on keyboard. If you want to remove this italic effect, again click on that I. See, effect removed. Next command is underline. Underline is used to underline your text. To use this, just select your cell and click on this down faced arrow. You have options here also. If you want double underline, just click on it. Or if you want to use single underline, then use this. You can also use them by pressing Ctrl and U from from keyboard. Next command is border. Border command is used to give border to the selected cell. When you click on this down faced arrow, it will show you many options of border. Like if you want only bottom border, then just click this. If you want top border, you can select this. For left border, you can select this. For right border, you can select this. So there is many options. If you want thicker border for outside, then you can select this. Like this. If you want to remove border, then again just click on this down faced arrow and select erase border. Now this eraser will delete all borders. Now next command is fill color or background color. It is used to fill background color. When you click on this down faced arrow, it will show you color pen and you can select any desired color from here. See. Next is font color. Font color will change your text color. When you click on this down faced arrow, it will show color pen and you can select any color from here. Like I select this color and it is applied. So this is Quant group, and that's all for today. So please like and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.